Hey YouTube, just checking in. Finishing the day up. You know, days are long sometimes. Sometimes schedules don't hold up. Key thing about it is communication. Communication. I'm here back at the shop. We had this build. You know, perception. Perception is something serious because you see these rails right here. I spoke of them yesterday. We started them yesterday. It's simple. I think this is 13 feet. This is 3 feet. And the idea was, you know, hey, we got the material. We're going to get them started. We're going to finish them up. We understood that there was a difference in the material because this right here is half-inch material, half-inch by 2. Half-inch by 2. It's a pretty beefy project, pretty beefy. It's not our typical build for this style, but that's what the customer wanted. That's what the customer is going to get, and we started building them, and we didn't finish building them in time to get them delivered, get them installed. So here we are. We got them, and it's ready to go. We communicated with the customer that, hey, we're going to be a little late, so probably best thing is let's reschedule for tomorrow. Let's reschedule for tomorrow, same time as today, if that's convenient for you. You have things you need to do, whatever, that's you take care of what you need to do. So that'll give us time. We'll finish up. We won't be rushing in the morning. We'll get over there. We'll install it. Boom. We'll be out of the way. Okay. So things don't always go according to plan. Things don't always work out exactly how we want them to work, but we got to make them work ultimately. Communicate with your customers, communicate with everybody, and it just makes for an easier route. You know, and I'll share a downfall, I guess, in that today. I didn't communicate with one customer who I was going to go by and look at a project. The time passed, and I, in my mind, thought, hey, I'll just swing by there when I get through, because there wasn't really a set time, but it was kind of a range, and that range was definitely not met, but I was going to get there today. I was en route to get there finally, and because I was sure that I was heading that way, because I don't like to give a customer, hey, I'm heading that way, and then, you know, this happened. So when I was heading that way, he said, oh, well, don't worry about it. I found somebody else to take care of it. Great. You know, I should have communicated better, but I didn't at that time. It worked out fine, but, you know, hey, it's a bad taste in somebody's mouth. Maybe it's future work. I don't know, but we can't weigh it on that. But we communicated, and we just, you know, again, call it a failure, a lesson. We call it a lesson. We don't call it a failure. We'll call it a lesson, a refresher course in that, and we didn't pass that lesson. So we were able to get to the other jobs for some quotes, meet our obligations for that. Back at the shop, ready to go with this in the morning. Should be loading up, a couple of touches, loading up, and getting to the job site. So I just wanted to share that. Again, we talked about scheduling, communication. We talked about scheduling the other day, and so today, talk about expectation. Expectation. Keep your expectation, but in that, communicate. Communicate even when you can't meet the expectation, because, hey, life, we all know that. If you're in the business and you've had some failure, you've not passed on some lessons, then when you're dealing with somebody and they don't meet your expectations, it's a little easier to show a little bit of mercy. So we pray for mercy when we have setbacks, when we don't fulfill our obligation to the fullest, or when we say we're going to do it, even though it's full intention, we're going to complete it, but just not to a satisfactory time frame. So give mercy, we'll receive mercy. Put some mercy in your mercy bank, and you may receive mercy when you need it, because we're all going to need it. So This is Kai. Thanks for checking us out today. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing. KBG Welding channel, YouTube, Instagram, all that. Follow us, like us, share us. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Check us out, subscribe, so you'll get the next video, insight. Man, we're trying to grow something. I wanted to share what we got for the customers. I want to share what we do, who we are, how we do it, and what our goal is. And our goal is customer service. We're a welding company. We're a customer service company that happens to weld, that we weld real well. So thanks for checking us out. We're here serving God and burning rods.